Microsoft Teams offers incredible communication power, but only if you use its tools to make your messages clear, visible, and action-ready. Imagine channel charts where no update gets missed, and every request gets a prompt response. Now, let's unlock that reality through mentions, tags, and smart formatting. The truth is, Teams channels often get noisy. Important updates vanish in a flood of conversation. Suddenly, deadlines are missed, and responses are slow. But you can cut through the clutter with 3 simple strategies at mentions, hashtag tags, and formatting. Start with at mentions. Direct someone's attention instantly with at person when a specific response is needed. When your whole channel must know something, use at channel. For major announcements that affect everyone, reserve at team, and don't overuse it. Every mention should be deliberate, designed to improve clarity, not flood notifications. Next, put tags to work. Tags act as mini categories inside your messages. Hashtag urgent, hashtag project update, hashtag meeting notes, and more. When your colleagues search for those keywords later, your updates don't get lost. The right tag means the right message reaches the right people at the right time. Fast. Formatting is your best weapon against message fatigue. Most messages blend in and get ignored, but bold text makes key info pop, italics highlight subtleties, and headings bring order to longer announcements. Use bullet lists for concise action items, code blocks for technical notes, and quotes to elevate important points. People respond faster to a well-structured, easy-to-read message, especially on a phone. Let's see these tools in action. Imagine this update. At Team, here's the Q3 dashboard progress. Completed, bullet point list. Pending, numbered tasks. Final design review needed by Wednesday. Note: API latency may require request throttling. Hashtag project update, hashtag action required. This isn't just readable, it's actionable. Avoid the common pitfalls. Tagging everyone for minor updates, sending unformatted walls of text, or using all caps. Too many tags or irrelevant mentions cause confusion, not clarity. Small changes solve big problems. Here's what matters most. Mentions bring visibility. Tags help organize. Formatting adds clarity. Use all 3 together, and your team's messages become powerful, efficient, and professional, every single time. If these tips help transform your team's experience, share them with your colleagues and stay tuned for more ways to master your workflow. Strong communication isn't a skill, it's your competitive edge.